Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio. Well, I'm super excited to be introducing you to Kimberly. She is the most recent design team member to join the Junk Journal Studio. Her channel name is Daily Dose of Hoppiness. She is ridiculously talented. She's the layering queen. Her tutorials are fun and easy to follow. She thinks outside of the box and is just a great addition to the studio's design team. So we're super duper excited and happy for that. You can find her on Instagram, where she has a very active Instagram account. Her link for that will be down below. She also has a brand new YouTube channel, and I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for all of you guys that have showed her some love and have gone over, watched some of her videos, subscribed to her channel. It's been really, really encouraging for us to see, and we want to celebrate by giving you a 2-page freebie. So I'll give you a peek here. It can be used for either Halloween or fall, or a little bit of both. It is labels in the orange, and it's not very dark Halloween. It's just like spooky or danger, or the word Halloween, or that kind of stuff. So nothing too dark, but we have them here. Really, really cool. I love how they turned out. And then here they are in the black as well. And like I said, you can find them on in the description box of her recent YouTube video, and you'll see the word freebie in the title of her video. So I hope you hop on over there, grab the freebie, like and subscribe to her channel, and even hit the notification bell, because she has created several design team projects for the studio already, and they've been fantastic. So you will get a notification when she uploads her videos. All the links that you need will be found down below in the description box, and thanks for watching. Bye.